Thank you very much for being here. We have now come to the closing ceremony, closing session of the 2-day training need assessment program of Niti Aayog aspirational block programs refresher training series that we will start. I am very, very grateful to Niti Aayog team for being here both the days and conducting the program with us. They have been here not just as an attendee or as a participant, they have been here as our co-coordinators, supporting us in every stage, taking part in the groups, ensuring that the discussions stay on the lane. So I am very grateful for that. I am also thankful to our block level officers. We know in a very short period of time we have asked you to come here and you have made it happen. You booked your tickets, you have come here no matter how close the time period was, but you have still come here, you have showed up, and not only showed up, you have also given your 100%, you have engaged with us, done the discussions, and when we have given you feedback, you have taken it positively, gone back and worked on the feedback. So I am very thankful for that. And I hope that going forward, as we start the aspirational block program, actual refresher training series, we will also have your support, and then going forward to the AVP 2.0 in the implementation and receiving the saturation in the blocks. I would like to thank the faculty of NIRDPR. I mean, I cannot mention their names enough. They have supported me with the inputs in each of the thematic areas, the challenges and solutions, the concept paper that we so proudly presented to you the first day, different thematic areas, their focus, what will be the different, core nuances that we have to bring to the discussions. All those things have come from our thematic leads, our own faculty. In agriculture, Dr. Surjit Vikraman. In education, Dr. T. Vijay Kumar. In health, Dr. Sucharita Pujari. Nutrition, Dr. Vanishri, she is not here, she is in Hyderabad right now. Basic infrastructure, Dr. R. Ramesh. And in social development, financial inclusion, Dr. Aruna Jayamani. I am very, very thankful to them as well. I am also thankful to all the core ministries. We had invited the 6 core ministries that are part of this aspirational block program, because as per our Director General, the people at the top need to know about what is happening for convergence to really kind of happen at the bottom. So we invited them, and for them as well the time period was very short, so we gave them like a day's notice to send someone, and almost all the ministries kind of responded and managed to send at least 1 or 2 representatives from their ministries. Going forward, as we have more time, I hope that in the state programs we'll be able to call more senior people from these ministries. We also got to know many interesting solutions from our block officers, which we will integrate. We got acquainted with some interesting people, some whom we will invite in the Hyderabad programs as well. And we are overall thankful to Niti Aayog in general for supporting this program, wholeheartedly. As Rohit sir was saying in the, opening remark, that whatever we asked for, without any cuts, any questions has been provided to us. So we are very grateful for that. I am also grateful to my Director General, Dr. G. Narendra Kumar, for supporting, coordinating and staying with us the whole program. And he is not here, he could not be here, he has other meetings that he had to attend to. But of course he will be supporting us as we go and do the Hyderabad programs. So with that, I, again, I want all of you to be with us, and I thank all of you. There are some special mentions that I have to do, because of course we are enjoying this venue, the arrangements are so good, things are running smoothly, everything is happening. There are some glitches which we are trying to overcome, and there are people behind it who are not probably sleeping for a whole week. So we need to really thank those people. So I would specifically thank my team from NIRDPR Delhi branch, Ritu Batra, Dinesh Kumar ji, Neeru Gupta, Gulshan Kumar ji. Please give a big hand to them. The reason why we have this venue and everything is working is because these guys are working tirelessly, so thank you very much. Also our students, Aman, Menka, Kanika, please stand up. They have also been working tirelessly. Students are like, they get the worst of the deals, we give them the toughest of the works, but they are working and making it happen, so thank you very much. With that, I end my part. I hope that, because I have been giving you feedbacks all morning long, but as we go forward, learn that I am going to come back to you and you are going to talk to me a lot more, because as we polish our modules, as we go forward to the states, learn new challenges, want to kind of overcome those challenges, we will be in conversation and we will be in touch. So that is it for me. I would like to request our members from Niti Aayog to please give a few closing comments, and then I will move on to the center head, Dr. Keshav Rao. I will start from Rupali and then go on to the next person.
Thank you, Ruchira, and I would like to thank every block officials who have joined us today. We are thankful that you have provided your inputs so that we can develop a training module. And starting October, we will be having a training in different SIRDs and NIRDs. So today you have put it in your inputs, but if you have missed out on any input that you might think of that you need to put forward, so you have your nodal CGs and YPs who you have in direct contact, and you can have our contact too, so you can directly share with us. So also thank you NIID team for taking this successfully, the TNA team. So Karthik.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I really thank all the block level and district level officials who have officially taken part in this TNA session. Also, your valuable insights and field experience speak itself. So we are eager to take few more suggestions, and all the suggestions to be summarized, and we wanted to put it in our ABP 2.0, which is going to happen in few more weeks. So eager to meet you all again during the further training sessions. And thank you once again to the whole NIRD PR team, and also the champions of real champions of change here in this hall. A big round of applause to all of them. Thank you so much for making time for this important TNA session, even though it's a very short notice. Thank you once again.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, thank you to the participants who came from across the country, and all the NIRD faculties who were so much involved in the discussions and planned everything in a very good manner. One thing I wanted to mention is that we always, when we look at the data or when we are working from Niti Aayog's end, we are only able to see the data or whatever we get to connect with you like through mobile or VCs and all. But now we were able to surpass the computer screens, and we were all sitting in one table discussing as a team. So that was a great experience. And also when you look at that teams, we can see that somebody is from Karnataka, in the same team we can find a person from Tripura, and maybe somewhere from Central India, North India. So, but here we all are sitting as a team. Like that is the concept of aspirational blocks also, when we work as Team India. So I hope this has been a very beneficial session for all of you, because you go to listen to each other, share your experiences, share what you have done differently, which has created difference in your block. So and this TNA is the foundation for the training program we are going to conduct, and which will subsequently make our aspirational districts and blocks program a success. So once again, thank you so much for everyone who participated, and I hope we are able to conduct a very good training sessions, and also to take our program ahead. So yeah, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here, actually at a very short notice to be here, leaving all your routine works and everything away and coming and contributing to a big, impactful program of the country. And as she has rightly put, we are on the other side of the screen. We just judge you or see you or rank you by the data. But I am very thankful and fortunate enough to be here to discuss with you, to sit with you and discuss what is happening on the ground. So I think we all had a very nice, knowledgeful and comprehensive session, and let this TNA be very successful enough so that we can integrate our learnings, and let's create a good training program so that we can have this ABP program and ADP program be more expanding and successful. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mugdha. So first of all, I'll thank you, all of you, for participating in this TNA training need assessment, and I will thank NIRDPR also for successfully completing this TNA 2 days training. We will be also having rice shops. I hope your inputs which you have been given in this 2 days training will be incorporating in rice shops, and then for the trainers which will be conducting at all the SIRDs and NIRDs. और जो आप लोगों ने हमें इनपुट्स दिए हैं वो जैसे मैं देख रही हूँ कल जब हम लोग यहाँ पे मिले थे और कल शाम को जो प्रेजेंटेशंस हुए उसके अकॉर्डिंग आज सुबह जो हमने प्रेजेंटेशंस किए हैं उसमें बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट थी. कल इवनिंग में जो हमने प्रेजेंटेशंस देखे थे वो ब्लॉक ऑफिशियल्स धीरे धीरे खुल रहे थे, बट आज सबको ये था कि नहीं कैसे इनपुट्स देने हैं, एक्चुअली ट्रेनिंग नीड असेसमेंट क्या करना है वो आज हमें सबको पता चल गया है. तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल दैट, एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर कमिंग इन सच अ शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Mukta. Dadich, would you like to make a few comments? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I would like to request our faculty to make a few short comments. Then we will come to Dr. Keshav Rao for the closing comments. Okay. So, Dr. Keshav Rao, you may please. Make
Thank
some
you.
closing comments.
So, because Ruchira has already given many thanks for all the people, but on behalf of NIRDPR and Director General's behalf, I thank you all of you for these 2 days and the inputs. As some of our friends is telling, yesterday was a little unhappy, but today's presentations are good. So we have to improve still more. Maybe our colleagues will be calling you for some more next NIRDPR programs also, some of you, and even in the trainings in the respective regions. So in your state it is happening, you have to support our colleagues so that it will be useful for the officers who are attending the program. So we'll improve this material module by the next week, so that with the TOTs it will go to the SIRD level, and our colleagues will be there, and in some parts Niti Aayog friends will also join there to help us. So I thank all of you, particularly for coming from the different regions, all the district officials, ministry officials, experts, various institution friends and guides who has come for individual themes improvement from the different institutions. Initially, first we have to thank our Additional Secretary Rohit sir for giving this project and the opportunity, and going to the field level implementation and training to the NIRDPR. So I thank our Director General for his guidance, continuous guidance, and doing it in a shorter duration and also completing it in next 2 months. So I thank all our team leads and other colleagues from the NIRDPR who has struggling to call you, prepare the material and to deliver. They are ready to deliver from the 1st of September. So I personally thank particularly NIRDPR Delhi branch team. So they are in short notice they made a lot of arrangements and made it a success. And all things are okay, but we have to thank Ruchira Bhattacharya. We will give a big hand to her. So she is a good leader. So in short notice, she has done a lot of things with his team. So another lady we have is Haruna Jaimani. So she is looking after the next level of training programs in the states. So our team leads will be taking care, but overall coordination she will be taking. So I thank all of them and thank all Niti Aayog friends for their regular support and for completing the next 2 months programs. We need your support. So support us for successful completion. Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir. One of the reasons why I asked everyone to be present at the dais is because I want all of you to see our faces, because you will be seeing us a lot. So each of the team leads will be there. So now I request T. Vijay Kumar sir to please make his comment.
Thank you, Ruchira. Our friends Ruchira and Keshav Rao, and all our faculty members. They have given a lot of information to all of you. Only one thing I wanted to remind all of you, all the participants, is whatever the inputs you have given in this TNA is not completed. Still, you have a chance when you go to your respective places. You discuss with your colleagues, peers, and if you identify some more needs also, and that list you can forward to the team heads so that it will be incorporated into the improvement of the manual, training manual, and also the training inputs. And at the same time, if you find any important case studies, any case events, that also you can share to all of us so that it will be a comprehensive list that can be utilized for capacity building. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
So almost you have seen the social development presentation. Like that we have to be there. So we have to give a block development plan during the trainings. So case studies are important. So how to do the plan. For that you please kindly add your more inputs so that it will improve our job easy. Thank you.